Now that you have confirmed the campaign criteria, select the Edit Fields option on the left-hand column. Here you will review the tracking setup for your lead delivery and how to apply the data governance filters. This will ensure that the leads being delivered are meeting your required fields and specific parameters. The template itself will be pre-populated with all the required questions pertaining to the lead type. For example, you will see questions relating to standard business card information. You will also see more qualifying and detailed questions such as company size or purchase time frame. All custom fields or questions will be set up to reflect how the question will be displayed on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, it will reflect how that field will be formatted when delivered. Each custom question will have a drop-down in the center column. Those questions requiring the field to be filled out with data and will be considered an accepted lead will have the Yes option. Any field selected as No will still capture the data within that field, but is not required to pass the lead. By selecting Off, you can completely remove the question from the template. To the right of each field will be accepted values. This is where it will be determined which values are accepted and ultimately will be delivered to your team. For example, if this campaign was specific to US and Canada only, and a publisher attempted to upload a lead where Other was selected, because it has not been checked off as an accepted value, that lead will be rejected. In the event that you need to add a net new question, use the Add Question option at the bottom of the form. Here you will be able to set up your own custom questions, how they are displayed and internally formatted, and which ones will be required fields. For example, if job title was going to be your custom question, we would type it in as we would like to have the question displayed and also how we would like it to be formatted. We would then select the type of value. We would then type in how we wish the options to be displayed and how we also want them to be mapped internally for formatting. You'll then select whether or not this custom question is going to be a required question, or if you would just like to have the question as an option and still collect the data as needed. Once it has been completed, you'll then select Submit to add the question to your custom form. Once you have added all custom questions and reviewed your template for any adjustments, select Save to move on to the next step in the campaign sequence.